Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Webster. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I consulted my Webster dictionary to look up the definition of the unfamiliar word. Webster refers to a person who makes or repairs woven fabrics, typically as occupation, or a dictionary published by 19th century lexicographer Noah Webster. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.